Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacquelyn Lopez and we are on day 3 of 12 days of Christmas crafts. Today we are going to the Dollar Tree and I'm going to be making this mini pine cone Christmas tree. I absolutely love this, and of course every new day I'm going to say that this is my favorite DIY. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I post a new video, because trust me, you don't want to miss any of these 12 DIYs. Now on to the supplies. All you're going to need is this foam cone, 2 bags of mini pine cones, and lots of hot glue. And of course, all of these supplies are from the Dollar Tree. We are going to start by opening up our supplies. I did use 2 of these bags. I had about 10 of the smaller pine cones left. So all you're going to do is first pick out your biggest mini pine cone to add to the top. And the reason why we're doing the top one first is to make sure that we still have that cone shaped that we want on our Christmas tree. And then we're going to start gluing our pine cones to the bottom. We're going to work from the bottom up, and at first all you're doing is gluing the pine cones side by side. Some of them have a little bit of a stem, so I am pushing them in first before I add my glue. That way it'll make a small indentation. I can add the glue in there, and that gives me more surface area to make sure that it stays attached to this foam cone. I am using most of my larger size mini pine cones towards the bottom half. Of course, I am going to fill in any gaps with the smaller pine cones, and the same is going to go for our top half. If I need a larger pine cone to fill in any gap that will not be able to be filled with, for example, 2 or 3 little ones, then I'll add a large to medium one. But I am trying to keep it this way so that I can make sure that I keep with the pyramid cone shaped. The pine cones that I'm using have a whitewashed look to them, so I didn't even paint or do anything to my cone. And again, I am trying to fill in all the gaps. If a little white shows, it won't be that bad. And now that our first layer is done, you're going to want to repeat that all the way to the top. But our second layer is going to stagger because you are going to start adding them in between the pine cones to make sure that you cover all of the foam cone. And that's it. Just go ahead and repeat it all the way to the top, and here it is done. Again, I love this. I feel like it looks like something you would buy at a Pier 1, maybe a Home Goods for way more than the $3 it cost to make it. Again, all of my supplies are from the Dollar Tree, and they also have regular colored pine cones. I did prefer this whitewash look because I thought it would look great next to my 3 little church signs that I do have available over on my Etsy. In case you were wondering, I'm going to leave that link down below. Also in the description box are going to be the links to all the ladies that I'm working with on these 12 days of Christmas crafts. Make sure that you go check out their Instagrams and their YouTubes. Now, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and you have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.